Jeez. Alright. Oh. Okay, so
This thing supposed to go on top of in here, but they want it here, so I put it right here. So this is the old clock we're gonna replace. There's 2 key locks in this one, and I don't have the original key that came with it. So fortunately, the new clock came with 2 keys, and it fits right, and it fits. So I'm using it to remove the clock. You have to turn it like this to lock, and the other way to open. Now we're gonna remove the mounting hardware for the old clock. Now we're gonna install the new mounting hardware for the new clock. First, before you put the other screws, so you can level it. Now it's leveled, now we can put the clock in. Make sure this lock is on the side, so put the key in there. Put it on the side, leave it unlocked. There's 2 keyhole over here, this one and this one. Align it with this one and this one, and it should, and slide it down and it should fit. With my holding a cell phone, but if I can't do it, then I'm gonna have to turn off my phone. Good. So it's working now. So it's right there, it's all done. The only thing is that the wire is supposed to go to the back of the panel, I mean of the clock. So I just slip it in there before I tighten the screws. All locked. Plugged from here. This thing supposed to go on top of in here, but they want it here, so I put it right here. So that's it. This is the Isolved time clock. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.